Hey everyone, CNC Keith here with yet again another Centroid DIY video. In this video, I'm very happy to announce a brand new schematics webpage that allows anyone to search and sort and download Centroid CNC control system schematics. So on this one page, there are CNC control system schematics for Acorn, Oak, All-in-One DC, MP11, and on. Check it out. This is really cool. So what you have here is the title of the schematic, the date it was created, the ID number of the schematic, some keywords and comments on the right, and then over here on the left, a PDF download and a DWG download. So check it out. If I wanted to see a particular schematic, let's download this ClearPath one. I just click on that. And here is a ClearPath schematic using the C86 board. Pretty cool. Now, obviously, I could save that and print that out. The DWG is also available here on the left for download, so you could open it with a CAD file and view it, or even then modify it. So if you want to use that schematic as a base to create your own schematic, that's a great place to start. Now, there's a lot of schematics in here, so this might be a little overwhelming. That's why we created this little search button in the upper left that allows you to type in keywords. Let me show you how that works. If I wanted to see all the schematics of the Acorn CNC control board that use an engraving laser, show you how to hook that up, type in Acorn laser, and automatically here on the page, 6 schematics show up showing the Acorn connected up to these 4 different types of lasers. Cromco, NEJE, the OBT, and 3 different JTEC lasers. So again, if you wanted to see that, you would just click the PDF and there it is, or download the DWG. Pretty darn cool. Let's do one more search here. Let me show you how to clear the search. So just highlight the keywords that you typed in, delete them, and then hit enter, and you're right back to everything. So that's just like the way we came in on the page. It just shows you all the schematics. You could sort by date. So these schematics go back to 10/6/2016. And I'm just clicking on the column to sort by date. You can see a little up arrow, down arrow key shows up there when I click on it. You can search by ID number, etc. But the main tool that I use here is the search bar. Let's do another example. I want to see all the Oak CNC control system schematics that use Delta servo drives. So it found 4, 2 mills and 2 lathes. So to see any one of these schematics, all I need to do is click on the PDF icon and it will appear. Notice that the Oak and All-in-One DC schematics are full D-size system schematics. So you can download the PDFs or the DWG here for that. And once again, I'm just going to clear it to go back and see all. So this is absolutely fantastic tool to enable 24/7 access to our Centroid CNC control schematics for everyone public on the page. So good luck with your projects and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.